How to fix Expedia won't let me choose seats. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to fix the issues with the Expedia application, specifically regarding the booking and seat selection. If you're having trouble choosing your desired seats, don't worry, follow the simple steps for a solution. Reach out to the airline directly with your reservation details, and airlines usually have more options for the seat assignments, even for the tickets booked through the third party sites. If the airlines tell you that your ticket isn't ready or that they can't assign you with a seat, politely ask to speak with a supervisor. Explain your situation and request their help in resolving it with the airline. Avoid booking flights with special fares or restrictions through the Expedia, as this may not allow for the seat selection until closer to your travel date. Filter your search results to show only regular economy fares if you want to select seats. As a last resort, if Expedia can't resolve the issue, you may need to cancel your booking and rebook directly with the airline. Just to be sure to review the fare rules first to understand any change or cancellation fees that may apply. For future trips, consider booking directly through the airline's website, and this will give you better control over your reservations and ensure that you select your preferred seats. While sites like Expedia are useful for comparing the prices, and they do have limitations. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.